Hi, very welcome to the ABC of waterproofing. I'm Nati Smith and I'm from Atlas Roofing and busy with today waterproofing for showers, specifically looking at a few products. And I refer you back to the South African National Sands Code that we're using as our backbone to our waterproofing training, and I advise you to get your own copy. And by way of demonstration, I'm just going to point to you a model specification of waterproofing in showers and small balconies, and then a detailed sketch of this. So most of the suppliers in our industry have their own manuals that you can obtain, and on our table today we have a standard specification that I want to take you through, where we refer to a flexible cement system. Our substrate we'd like to be smooth wood floated, similar to this paving block, and the products are mixed in a basic ratio of 2:1. On the right hand side I've got 2 powders and 1 latex liquid, and a box packaging and a liquid. That's a standard kit. And once you've applied it, you've mixed it, you've applied the membrane in the 90-degree corners as shown on the gusset and filler detail video clips on our website. And then into the 90-degree corners I use the membrane. Just a point of note, this is the wrong membrane. The correct membrane is a polypropylene, this is a polyester. So erroneously, many people will be using this membrane and not the polypropylene, which is brown in color. Then you allow the gusset to dry, and then you dampen the walls and apply 3 coats at 1 kilogram per square meter per coat. That's a general specification. And remember your basket weave pattern in 3 directions for each coat. Ditto to the floor area, and allow to cure for 3 days before you tile. Remember before you tile to use a bonding liquid, because the substrate is now waterproof and your tile glue may want to slip off. Very important. So we're going to quickly do a mixing procedure. Always add the liquid first to your container, and then while you're mixing you will slowly add your powder. This is normally a 2-man job. So now I'll have to take the shortcut. And we are basically manufacturing paint on site. I'll do a quick mix. So now we have mixed our waterproofing compound, and the substrate that's been primed, which is damp, and the water is the primer, and this is the dry section. You never really want to apply this system over dry substrates. Always have a nice damp substrate. And I just want to show you the consistency of our product. This is the wrong unprimed area, and the application can be by roller, spray or brush. And as you can see, very nice and thixotropic. And you may say, well, it looks fine, why do I have to prime with the water? The reason is this product will make pinholes and eventually it will leak. So you ideally want a primed surface to apply the product to. Flexible cement waterproofing is very versatile but limited in its application, because you cannot do too big a roof area. It's one of the few products that can go onto damp substrates, and it's one of the few products that you can tile directly onto. So in my book, you should know how to do it. Nati Smith signing off. Thank you.